Mix petroleum jelly with olive oil and get ready to be shocked. This simple trick hides a secret no expensive cream will tell you, and once you see the effect, you will want to use it every day. Today I will reveal this simple but powerful trick, and when you try it, you will want to thank me forever. Let's begin. Take a medium bowl and add 1 teaspoon of petroleum jelly. Then pour in 1 tablespoon of vinegar. This may seem unusual, but vinegar is rich in natural acids that help balance the skin's pH. Now add 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Olive oil is like liquid gold for the skin, rich in vitamins A and E, both powerful antioxidants. Comment below with your city. Let's see where everyone is watching from. To elevate this recipe even more, squeeze the juice of 1 fresh lemon. Fresh lemon juice is loaded with vitamin C, which stimulates collagen production, improves firmness, and restores elasticity. The natural citric acid acts as a gentle exfoliant, removing dead skin cells and revealing a more even and brighter appearance. Now that all the ingredients are in the bowl, it's time to prepare them properly. Take a medium pan and set up a double boiler, placing the bowl inside with water around it. Turn the heat on low and let it warm gently for a few minutes. This step helps melt the petroleum jelly and blend everything into a smooth consistency. Stir slowly while heating. This is essential to activate the full potential of the mixture. Comment yes if you are going to try this at home. When it is well mixed, remove the bowl from the heat and let it cool for a few minutes. Now take a small clean container and pour in the mixture. Place it in the fridge for about 20 minutes. This helps it solidify into a creamy and easy-to-spread texture, perfect for application. After cooling, your homemade cream will be ready to use. The best time to apply it is at night before going to bed. While you sleep, your skin will absorb all the nutrients and you will wake up feeling the difference. Now is where the magic begins. Apply this formula to rough or dry areas like elbows, knees, and heels. The petroleum jelly locks in moisture. The vinegar balances and cleanses. The olive oil deeply nourishes, and the lemon juice brightens and rejuvenates. Together, they create a combination that delivers visible results in just a few days. Your skin will be smoother, softer, and glowing naturally. Rate this tip from 0 to 10. I would love to know what you think. And the best part, you made it yourself using ingredients you already had at home. If you liked this tip, don't forget to like, leave a comment with your results, and share this video with someone who could also benefit from this skin magic. Thank you for watching. Take good care and see you in the next video.